I learned so much. And then like I had like happy hour during schedule. I thought your last song was no, I like the only Cincinnati person right now. So like, design agency. Many new dances and they all piss me off. Copper tape that I used wasn't actually like conductive or
I was on and then I sit there and I'm like,
it's actually
You know what?
We're intentionally doing this.
Yeah. John, where are you going?
Yo, this guy is fucking hourly.
Like standing or what?
Oh, God, no.
And not everyone is how you use a tripod.
Holy God. Why would you say that?
Well, it was funny in my head. I'm not even gonna lie. No!
Brian.
Oh, come on. Smile.
I looked down just for a second.
Go here, join our Discord. Our Discord is fun.
Join our Discord. It's in our link in the box. Thank you everyone for coming.
You're good.
Sadly, this is my last one. But I think this has been such, I don't even know how to express it, but I felt like I've grown as such a person in this 1 year than I have in my 31 years of life. It's just really cool to see life through someone else's eyes, and this is what this community has done for me, so I'm very proud and felt very loved today on my last day, and I won't cry because I'm having a lot of fun, and so I'm really glad to see this big crowd, some returning faces, some new faces, but I love you guys, and let's have a good
We love you.
We love you, John!
I want all my photos to be so Put your chin down.
It's not fun.
Rango from the movie Rango? Or that's Ringo?
Since when?
That's
Know your mom jokes?
Know Your Mom jokes. That's been since the inception. I don't know
Your
what.
mom's a your mom joke. What are you giggling about?
don't say my trigger
Welcome to the zone. I'm glad to be back. I'll probably show up to more soon.
Camera.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
We're probably going to come back with a lot of good stuff.
There's a dozen.
Thanks, Dad.
Very similar, but it's got like.
There's a new one that's coming out. It's like
You do.
Cause like I'm not reading that fucking manual.
Oh, is he sleeping?
No, really not. I was not moving, so I can tell you that.
What's supposed to see him around? What do you mean disappear soon?
Because of like the environment.
Oh no!
You said what?
Yeah, everybody take a picture of
Just in case.
No one move on that song. We have one more picture, one more picture.
Jack, let me know if you find this one.
Oh,
Scream,
oh, the thunder's picking up.
Ugly face.
I'm a rebel.
Good that they would not like to get wet.
Anyway.
I've seen one where it's like, please let me merge from this little baby.
Yeah.
You don't understand cameras?
They make no sense.
You've got one.
Yeah. It's never left auto mode.
Maybe so. It's really pretty, like it's really cute on the inside.
They're like 400 million years old or something like that. And they were thought to be extinct at one time, and then they found them somewhere in China, and now they're like landscape trees somewhere, so it's like went from extinct to, or thought to be extinct to everywhere. But they have a really cool texture.
You see your mic died?
Yeah.
Wild bergamot or bee balm, and it's really pretty. But over here, there's normally get some big butterflies on it. It could be, but these are super good for pollinators. Be able to hunt. It's a great plant for pollinators. If you want to photograph butterflies, they just stop right here. Ironweed, probably. So yeah, so they're all, probably this is a parent, and these are two babies screaming, give me food, and I was gonna take us down into the woods where it's shady. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Super cool. This plant Ohio spiderwort, because that's the zigzags.
And the flowers are a lot smaller too.
They are kind of small, yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a really pretty woodland species.
What is it? They're like great.
Spring migration.
There's a nice specimen growing down there, nice and round.
Buckeye tree.
So, yeah, I don't think I could tell a difference. Ants and stuff were on it. Found some pop balls. Break. I love those.
Oh, there they go.
They're so fun. Yeah, that one's not ready at all. Those ones are still firm. And that one's really cool, but most of those ones get about that big. Okay. I don't know what. This is kind of like the iNaturalist observation sometimes where we are. It's pretty nice. Wild potato vine is the big white flower.
Not morning glory.
It might be morning glory.
I mean, it looks like
I might be wrong. Flower, the lone purple flower is a purple cone flower. I don't know why it's growing like that. It's really strange. But these super tall sunflowers are called compass plant. These really tall ones over here because they kind of follow the sun throughout the day. I think they're so. faded, silvery. Yeah, it's usual. It is invasive, unfortunately. It's really cool. It's the flower. Everything folds in half and it closes, and then once it starts forming back up, it opens. The entire thing from my fingers down is a leaf. Whoa. And these are leaflets. It's just part of a leaf. And so this one's still growing. It's not, or it's just not very big. If you've ever been out to like Hocking Hills or Red River Gorge, you've seen big leaf magnolias, and it's even bigger than those. Whoa. So super cool tree. And but I think someone's going to stuff hot. Yes, yeah. Sure. So that's how you tell the instructions as well.
He's standing really still. Yo, and this one's just in midair.
And sometimes it's guys, the ones my friend is doing.
Thanks, Sean.
You're welcome. Can I get a TikTok of me? Glenwood Gardens.